Alright y'all, hey, it is Friday y'all. I'm just gonna show y'all what I'm about. We doing some rice bowls. I'm doing chicken, steak, and salmon today. I got my black beans, my corn. They got to go get my pinko and my guacamole. I got sour cream, but I might get another one and get some hot sauce. Yes, I need some hot sauce. So we are going to get started. And my salmon, we are going to season the chicken and the steak first. We got my pink Himalayan salt that I use. I love using this. A little. Salmon. I'm just going to season all of them at the same time. I got this from Home Goods. They got some nice seasoning, y'all. Y'all slipping on Home Goods and they seasoning, they oils. I might as well leave the top off because I'm not done. And then I got my black pepper. Okay. Of course, I need garlic for everything. Chicken first with the garlic. And my green pepper. And my salmon. Chicken. Not so much my steak. Have some turkey seasoning I like to use. Chicken. Steak and my chicken. We just layering flavors, y'all. Layering flavors. Here's my steak. And some chicken. Alright. And it's heating up. I think I'm gonna do my salmon first and get my salmon out the way. These rice bowls are going to be so nice. Alright, y'all, I think it is ready for them. Let's try it. Oh yeah, it's ready. Alright, y'all, I'm taking this chicken out. It is done. I'm gonna do this steak. Make my sauce right fast. The rice is boiling. I mean, what the heck? Right, Boo gonna cut it out. She'll cut it out for me. Listen, it's hot. They got their little 3-wheelers and things out. Alright, y'all, let's turn this over. I just like to let it sit for a minute. This sauce, y'all, I use this sauce on burgers, barbecue, Chinese food. You can use it on anything. Alright, y'all, the steak is done. It's been resting. I'm gonna slice it. I hope they eat it. It's medium rare. It's tender though, y'all. My salmon in there. I'm just going to pour some sauce on the steak. And it's hot and it's just going to continue to cook it. This is how I toast my tortillas. After they come out, I just push them in the bowl and get a bowl thinking this is how they gonna stay. In here, a couple pieces of the steak. As you can see, the sauce cooked it some more. So it was hot. Alright, I want some lettuce on here. I want some black beans, corn, I'm gonna do some pico. I got my sour cream on the other side. Gouda. This is my rice bowl, homemade home rice bowl with salmon, chicken, steak,